Okay, so tomorrow is my birthday, so to celebrate, Tom has booked us into 2-night stay into Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we're just there right now. We checked in about 2 hours ago, and so I just thought I'd film now to show you the room before we start and get ready for bed. But this room is so beautiful. One of the reasons why I love this room is because of, I think it's called a canopy above the bed, like the little curtain things, like clear curtains. I don't know why I love them so much, they're just so beautiful and it suits the room so well. So we've stayed here a couple of times, and then this is actually the last resort that we stayed in on our last programme, so I feel like it's got something sentimental. So when you walk in, everything is just so beautiful. Let me turn this round. So the bathroom, like all the detail. Look at the wallpaper. So cool. And then everyone knows I love my H2O. And then here's a better look at the room. It's so nice. And we have a savannah view as well. That's our TV. So I'll take you outside. You can't really see anything right now because it's so dark, but we actually have got a view of the savannah. So as soon as it becomes daylight, I'll get the camera back out and I'll film so everyone can see. I also forgot to mention this. In the room, because we've got a savannah view, I'm not sure if they do it in the non-savannah view rooms, they give you a wildlife spotting guide, so you can take a look at what animals are outside your door and have a look in this little guide to see what their actual name is. Not the name, but the species. So it's pretty cool. It's quite an extensive list. So hopefully in the morning when I do show you the view, you will be able to see at least a few of these animals. But we shall see. So I will film in the morning with hopefully a good view of some animals.
Hello, how you doing? I've got a reservation at Citricos.
Alright, stop parking to the right. Now we're straight ahead.
Thank you very much.
So we are just out for my birthday meal at Citricos, which is a surprise. And then Tom, has organised for this cake to be brought to the table. I was so surprised. How nice is this cake? It's Snow White themed with the apple on top and the blue. I've just realised all the little diamante things, pearls. How nice is this? And I was that excited looking at it that I almost burnt my hair off with the candle on my actual creme brulee dessert. Wow, so beautiful. Thank you, Tom. So we've just ordered breakfast to the room, and as you can see we've got some pastries, jam, and then Tom has pancakes with chocolate chips in them and sausage. I've got the jungle juice, got some syrup. Oh, looks yummy with the view.